do today? Will you come over to my house to play chess with me?
I'm afraid I can't. I'm going to a concert a little later. But I'll come tomorrow if that's okay.
Tomorrow, I am going on a short trip with my family and some friends. I think we'll be back on Sunday evening, so you probably won't have time to meet. How about next week?
Well, I'm gonna have a very busy week. On Monday, I'm going to the dentist, and maybe I won't feel so good after that. On Tuesday, I'll have to study for my math test. I am gonna stay home and study hard. On Wednesday, I'm gonna go to the library to read a book for my English class. On Thursday, I'm getting my hair cut in the afternoon. On Friday, I'm going shopping with my family. We are gonna buy many things for my brother's birthday party. It's on Saturday, remember?
Yeah, I remember. He will be 7, right?